Hey guys, Jarrett here, and I got this dual monitor mount for my desk here. It uses a C-clamp, good for both wide monitors and curved monitors as well.
Desk mount does a really great job on my desk here. I'm actually able to keep it on the upper level of my two-part desk. Love the fact that you can hide the cords right here on the back. They can easily go right through, and they're just threaded right through here on the back. And they just go right through without getting caught. You can easily move these up and down right throughout. You can just move the monitor nice and easily on both sides while the cords are just threaded nice and neatly throughout the back. You can actually go ahead and turn the monitor 360 if you wanted to, all the way around. And then for myself, I like to keep one of the monitors actually vertically and then at this type of angle. And then I can use the other one at a horizontal angle so I can do my games or do anything that I need to on this one, all while still being able to access my laptop screen right down here. Now take a look and see how this moves. Right down here at the bottom, you have 360 degrees range of motion. There is a little stopper here, this white piece, that will make it so that you can only move it 180 degrees if you want, or you can keep it that way. You have a full 360 if you wanted to. At the next joint here, you also have 360 degrees, so that way you can move this any which way that you would like to. Joint here, you've got 90 degrees, and you just loosen that up. And then right here, you've got 180 as well. So if you were at a downward position, you could go ahead and keep it down, or you could just keep it at this position where I like to keep it at. This mount can hold 33 pounds per monitor, or actually 33.1 pounds per arm. So that's 66 pounds in total that this mount can hold. So 33 per arm. This allows you to use the VESA pattern on the back. So that way you can do either a 75 by 75 millimeter or the 100 by 100 millimeter setting right here on the back. And you just screw it right in, and it was really easy to do. This can be used for both curved and wide monitors. It can support 17 inches all the way up to 42. And my favorite thing about this too is that it just looks really sleek. You can put this on your desk, be able to move your monitor any which way that you want. It was a really easy setup, took about 30 minutes, and you've got peace of mind knowing that you've got all your screens up in one place. It's supported really well, and it looks clean. So if you guys are looking for a dual monitor setup, I would highly recommend this.